Men of all ages are discovering the power of the salt trick, and the results have been nothing short of amazing. For years, I felt drained, low on energy, and my confidence was slowly slipping away. I thought it was just part of getting older, dealing with stress, or facing everyday struggles. But everything changed when I found a natural, simple, and fast trick that turned things around. The salt trick is going viral because it's helping men restore their energy, boost their stamina, and regain the confidence they thought was lost forever. And the best part? No pills, no expensive treatments, just something natural that takes only seconds to do. Researchers recently discovered a surprising link between a specific jumping movement and male performance. This method activates key functions in the body, improves circulation, balances hormones, and naturally boosts endurance. Before this, I felt tired all the time. Nothing seemed to help, and it started to affect my relationship. But after trying the salt trick, everything changed. My energy came back, my strength improved, and my confidence returned stronger than ever. Now, I feel more alive, more secure, and fully present. And yes, my partner definitely noticed the difference. Our relationship has reached a whole new level, and I finally feel like myself again. But here's the catch. This trick is spreading fast, and powerful companies don't want it to stay online. Whenever a natural solution starts gaining attention, they try to bury it. That's why I'm sharing a video that shows exactly how the salt trick works, step by step. You can find the link in the description and also in the first comment. Watch it now before it gets taken down, and see why thousands of men are making this simple and powerful method a part of their daily